Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. That is Shere Khan and Antiope. They just ate last night and they're already looking at the door like they want to come out. Huh. Shere Khan, is that what you're saying, buddy? Hey, you want to come out some more? Huh? If I were to open the door, would you come out? Now you, Antiope, I do think you are still in a little bit of feeding space. I'll be able to tell the moment I open this door how you respond to that. No? How about this one? No? Okay, well, you may be not as big of a feed response as I expected you to be. Usually you kind of jerk and look at me like really expectantly when I've just recently fed you and then open your doors. When you're asking, you guys are supposed to be resting. Everyone else is resting. Say, meh, get that, Dad. I want to go. I got places to go, people to see, things to do. Antiope, are you gonna come out? Shere Khan, wait a minute now. I don't have anything up for you to climb on right now. Yeah? Can I get something up for you? Or are you just gonna go take your own route? Huh? Let me see what I can do. There we go. There's a nice space for you, Shere Khan. You can come on out over here. Come climb if you want to, or go back the other direction. It's up to you. You are your own person. Yeah. Ugh. Sorry about that. Just gonna grab this other branch. I'm gonna stick this one right here. I'm gonna stick this one right here for Antiope if she were to so want to come out. No, I'm not necessarily doing a lot of handling of Shere Khan because, as I said, he did just eat. But if he is actively asking to come out, I'm gonna open the door for him, make sure he can get back in however he chooses to. Open that one up as well. Yeah. There you go. I don't think Antiope is up for a visit today. Come on. No. Ooh. That on the outside. There we go. Yeah. Shere Khan, I saw you, B. Antiope was just joking. Just fooling. Look at him. He is a magnificent climber. He is a magnificent climber. You can see his belly bulge right there a bit. His belly bulge. You know, it's all a snake by snake thing, you know. Shere Khan here, he's clearly got more active energy in him still, even though he's eaten yesterday. He's good to go. Yep. You are a magnificent boy, aren't you? Magnificent boy, oh. Oh, Shere Khan. You are magnificent. Say yes, I know it, Dad. I know it. Definitely quickly becoming one of my favorite species. I really, really, really do want more carpets in my life. Really do. What is that noise over here? Oh, yeah. Who is that? Who is that? I set this up for her, and she climbed up and around. Huh. Oh, I wonder if I were to set this up for you, if you would use it to get back up, huh? Yeah? How's that? That's something to climb. That's something to climb, isn't it? Something to climb. Yeah. Boy, oh, Shere Khan. Hey, oh. What is that doing there? Where are you going? Stay away from you and that darn camera, Dad. Why can't I ever just be out without you putting that darn camera in my face, huh?